The second stage of the observational learning model is retention, and this is where we want to ensure that the students, that the learners remember the information from the demonstration. So how do we do that? How do we ensure that they can retain that information? Well, we need to make sure that they are told that they've got to create some kind of mental image in their mind so that they are replaying in their mind what the demonstration looked like. So that's why it's so important to make sure that they pay attention to the demonstration in the first place, so that they're able to create this mental image with a view then in a little while to then go and try to reproduce it themselves. How do we do that? In the demonstration phase or in the attention phase, we as the coach or the PE teacher provide lots of repetition, and again we highlight those key points. So mental image, repetition, and we want to promote this kind of mental rehearsal. So we might even say to our learners, see if you can remember and rehearse in your head, in your mind, what is happening, so that you can then go and repeat that physical movement. Those key points in front of you, again, are really important parts of the retention phase, the retention stage. Try to bring those into your response. So it's about mental image, it's about repetition, and it's about mental rehearsal so that that information can be remembered and then ultimately reproduced.